Nasty, guys. Your car is nasty. The thing literally lives and breathes outside all day and all night long in the elements. Yeah, maybe it's parked in the garage, but it's designed to take you from point A to point B outside in the elements, dirt, dust, grime, the nastiness of the outside world. I mean, how many times do you jump in the car and you go, you know, somewhere to the supermarket or down the road and you can see dust blowing over the hood and it's stormy and windy outside? Guys, there's one simple item of maintenance on your car that you must do every year to protect the health of you and your passengers, because if you don't do this simple item of maintenance, you're putting yourselves at risk, a health risk. And it's so simple. Why don't we do it? This is a simple item of maintenance that you must do every single year to protect your health and the health of your passengers, and that item is to replace your cabin air filter. Every single vehicle on the road that has an HVAC system in it has a cabin air filter. If you're using the air conditioning, if you're using your heater, if you have air blowing through your vents at all, that air is first passing from the outside nasty world through your cabin air filter and into your car. Just like the filter on your furnace at home, if you're driving your car regularly, your daily driver, this has to be changed every year for your health and your safety. And I'm going to show you guys why. It gets pretty nasty. The one in my 2009 Nissan Murano, it hasn't been done in a long time. I bought the car a year ago. It's a work vehicle, and it's had a lot of neglected maintenance. So the cabin filter is it's one of those neglected maintenance items on this car. But we're going to run out and we're going to change it right now with the Bosch 6053C cabin HEPA approved air filter. If you're doing this on a 2009 Nissan Murano, this is a pretty simple repair, and the cabin air filter is located here under the dash on the passenger side, which seems to be a pretty common thread throughout all of the vehicles that have been manufactured like pre-99. So if your vehicle is a 2000 and up, there's a good chance that your cabin air filter is under the dash somewhere on the passenger side. Now, a few cars have it actually up under the hood, so you may have to check out on your cabin air filter swap or replacement procedure depending on what vehicle you have. Now, if you have a Murano, the first thing you want to do is take out your floor mats and set them aside. Okay, this is going to be hard for me to show you guys on camera, but pretty much this panel comes out, so you just have to get both hands on it, slowly wiggle and work its way down. It does have one of those weird pop connectors on it right in this part, so you'll have to get on that and kind of pull it back. Once you have that removed, go ahead and set it aside. Okay, with that panel removed, we can see everything exposed under here. Your cabin air filter door is right here. You'll pull up on that tab, and then this door falls out. Really hard to see back in here since there's no light, but your cabin air filter is in a long slit up here. You should be able to get your hand on it if there's no pull tab, which this one does not have, and should be able to just pull it right on out. And that's it for a cabin air filter exchange on my Nissan Murano, guys. This is how nasty your car is if you haven't done this. Yes, of course, I live in Wyoming, and this is a work car, so it's out on construction sites quite a bit, and it's on the road an awful lot. But, guys, this is a Nissan air filter. Who knows if this has ever been changed? I've only owned the car for like a year, and I should have changed this when I bought it, but I didn't because I just forgot about it, I guess. Look at all the nasty gunk inside of this. All of the air that we've been breathing inside of this car for the past year that's been blowing through the AC or the heater has passed first through this. Guys, changing your cabin air filter once a year is so important, both for your health and the health and safety of your passengers. So if you haven't done this, jump on Amazon right now and order yourself a new cabin air filter. I highly recommend Bosch's HEPA filters. Fram also makes some good ones, and so does EcoGuard. All of them should be for an affordable price. I know the one that went into my Murano was a Bosch, so it was like 12 bucks, but the one that's going in my Silverado right behind you, I believe is a Fram or maybe an EcoGuard, and it was like $10. This is such a simple and easy maintenance step, and it's often neglected. Do not neglect this step, guys. If your car's smelling funny, it could be your cabin air filter. If it smells like dust in there, or it's if you have bad allergies and it's hard for you to breathe in a car, guys, it's probably your cabin air filter. Jump on Amazon. If you haven't replaced your cabin air filter in a long time, get one ordered, get it here, and get it swapped. Super easy to do, and hopefully this video was meaningful or helpful for you guys today. If it was, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe here to the channel, and consider subscribing to my other channel where I will be replacing the cabin air filter on my Silverado here very shortly. With all that said, I hope you guys are doing great. Get out, enjoy your automotive ownership, replace that cabin air filter, and I'll catch you in the next video.